of the first songs most beginners learn is Hot Cross Buns. Hot Cross Buns has 3 notes: D, C, and B flat. Fourth position, sixth position, first position. The first measure is 2 half notes, and the second measure is a dotted half note. Remember that a half note gets 2 counts, and a dotted half note gets 3 counts. These 2 measures repeat. In the 5th and 6th measure, there are quarter notes, 4 quarter notes on B flat and 4 quarter notes on C. And then the last 2 measures are exactly like the first 2 measures. And now I will put the song together and play it from the beginning to the end. Watch carefully when I take a breath. The quarter note rest allowed me to take a large breath, but at the end of measure 6, I needed to take a quicker breath where there is no rest. I will demonstrate again. Congratulations! You've learned your first song, Hot Cross Buns.